I'm Jennifer Barrera and today is January 20th and I'm doing the lab on the culture microbes in the broth along with the aseptic technique. And the first thing I'm going to do first is wash my hands because you want a very clean surface with your hands for aseptic technique. And then, as you see right here, I have all my supplies as I need. And the first thing is the bleach. I have the cup of the bleach for disposing. I also have half a cup of the alcohol, along with my gloves and my goggles for safety, my mask, my candles, the pipette, and I have the TSA, I have the broth. This whole area is all clean. I've already wiped it down with alcohol. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my pipette and I'm going to put it inside the alcohol, making sure it is being cleaned. I'm going to grab the nutrient broth and label it. E. coli. I'm also going to ignite a candle. Okay, so I'm removing the alcohol from the pipette. Make sure there's nothing left. So this is sterile. I will get the broth that's labeled E. coli, remove the cap, and I'll pass the lip of the broth through the flame to sterilize the surface. And I'll put this aside without touching it because the lip is now sterile. I will now grab the E. coli tablet. Same thing. Remove the cap. Run the lip through the flame to sterilize it. Okay, I'm gonna grab the broth that I sterilized. Already put the lip through the flame, and I'll grab 0.25 ml of the solution without touching the rim because that is what's sterilized. Okay, so I'm removing some of the solution to get to the 0.25, which is right there, without touching the lip. I'll put this back down because it's still sterile. I have the E. coli, same process. The tip is already sterile because I ran it through the flame earlier. I will not touch the rim, and I will drop the solution in it. And the alcohol. Okay, so I shook the E. coli vigorously. That's what I have. It's closed, sterile. I'll put it aside. Now for the broth, I'm going to sterilize the lip, putting it through the flame prior to closing. Not touch my gloves on it. There, now that's sterile. It's for E. coli, it's labeled. And now I repeat the same steps for the S. epidermidis broth, along with the tablet. Okay, and this is the end of my experiment of the lab. I'm gonna clean up my whole workstation and put my vials in a secure location, which is in the towel cabinet I said in week 1. And I'm going to monitor the temperature to make sure it's greater than 20 degrees Celsius. And that is it.